Warga Patisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakunjung Menteri Sarkar jong Jala Assam klalet benyesim bentalang hakajingi khi jong samla puli kabalalong hachachal hanong ba Guwahati. Kadibisa mahanta kadi kakunjung Menteri Katanat Revenue jong Assam. Oke chef mahanta. Bat udairu uwe ni ki menteri ubakhamrang ba bah hakanul Menteri Sarkar jong uhimanta Beswa Sharma. Kajinglet yesim benta jongka hakajingi khi kalong kawai ni kimat kabatanam ba kiransan sosial media hakajala Assam. Namar buh pa jongka udah betul lang hak Sarkar Assam. Lasa priang gi video jongka kipa peni pakashir reham ba kajing ki. Baka perta penramru yo menteri Katanat puli putih Sarkar Pedeng udar mandra perdahan buat yo menteri rang bado kari unaran ramudi bagi dai ban resigno. Kadi bisa manta kabitar nama kajing lak tu gijing keli jongka NEET exam. Kabakta iki paulak ngot kisamla puli hakari. Ukpa jongka oke chef manta uday unang ngelam jong kaseng Ahom Gana Parishad. Kaseng gabay trailang bat ke BJP. Kajing hi Assam galang kabajay-jay. Klam don kanu-kanu kahuri-hura.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.